Hey guys, it's your boy Toasted Frog here, back with another video. We got two Grinderinos today, and then I got a new 5-inch build I'm really excited about with an O3. I did request access to this airspace. It's a Class D airspace, but there's a 6 steeple here. We can go up to 400 feet, so we're gonna get to ripping. My first time ever hitting this spot, so it should be cool. But hopefully it's chill. But let's get the first pack in. Here we
I don't mind if you don't wanna be a part of my life. Trust me, ain't nobody
Fuck yeah.
Ain't nobody close to nobody.
Alright, we're gonna move spots and rip another one. This is fucking awesome.